Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. I promised a video on doing RAM on the last video, and just so you're aware, just doing it all in one day, so that's why the same color shirt. So anyway, this is a very simple process, very easy to do. I'm going to show you guys how to do it with one stick. Now this is not going to be the RAM that's going to stay in it, so it's just a single stick that I have laying around because it's all you need for a tutorial on it. This one is a g.skill Ripjaws 4 model of 2133 speed RAM. I have successfully overclocked this to at least 2666, so it's great RAM and it's done very good. I've not pushed it any further than that, but I may in the future try just to see how high it'll go. But anyway, back to the video purpose. So this is just to show you how easy it is to install RAM. So you just match up the little line in the center there, like so. That way you know where it's going to be. You make sure that the side brackets, now some only have one side piece that opens, so you just open the one side. In those you insert kind of like this, and then like this. In these styles where both sides come down, you just straight down inside. And then no matter which side it is, you just want to do a firm little click. Now some take a little more pressure than others, so do be careful. I do recommend that you do this outside of the case on something solid like a table with an anti-static bag if you have not already installed the motherboard. If you've already installed it and you're just doing an upgrade of, say, extra sticks of RAM, then same process applies, but you want to be a little gentler about it. If you're not careful about it, you can crack the motherboard. But overall, it's a very simple process. As you saw, it took a minute if that. So that is that process on installing RAM. So next video will be to put this motherboard into the case and to take RAM out, in case you were wondering. Voila! Very simple, very easy. So yeah, in the next video I may go ahead and install this board into the system, and I will be installing the iGo fan system that I got, that I showed you guys in the unboxing video. And that way you guys can see that going. Now this computer is basically a swap of parts. What I had is I'd already built the system, and then I sold off the motherboard and processor that was in it. And I was going to scrap the whole thing for parts, and then my daughter decided that instead of a laptop she wanted a desktop, and so I'm swapping the missing parts back into it. So the hard drive, the SSD, and the power supply are already in that system. So it's just going to be me basically putting the motherboard and CPU and RAM back into it. And then I'll be installing some colored lights because that system didn't have any RGB in it. So I'll be putting some stuff in to spruce it up a little bit. She decided that she wanted to go with white and black as the primary theme, which is why the Arctic board and the black case. The fans are black on the outside, but they give some RGB, so she'll be able to do some color to it, add her favorite colors of purple and stuff like that into it. And she'll be able to change it, which will be nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it helped you guys learn how easy it is to do some stuff. And hopefully you guys will leave comments down below. I always love comments. Comments make it all worth it for me. And of course, please subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed this little tutorial. Hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.